Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to auto-follow on Instagram on your custom target list. So this is my Instagram management software. First, we have the account management, where you will add and manage your Instagram account here, and you can see I will log into my account like this. So this will be my Instagram account. And with this software, basically you can manage a limited number of accounts. Next, to do auto-follow, I will go to account function and I choose follow and unfollow. And here you can unfollow or follow. And we will have three options. It's followed by keyword. It means you will enter the keyword list here. It will search for this keyword and then follow the account that's related to the or followed by account list. It means you will enter the list here. It will follow to this list of accounts and you will have allow duplicate or you will delete the username after follow. It means each account will follow different username. So you can run a mass follow campaign here. And finally, we have follow by suggest. It means it will randomly follow in the suggestion by Instagram. Okay, I will follow by keyword and I will enter some random keyword here. Let's say I will follow the keyword about ball, tennis, sports, there. So I will have three keywords here, and then I will enter the number of accounts that each account will follow. Each account, I will follow 3 to 5 accounts. There's two numbers here because each account will randomly choose a number between. After that, I will just choose the account that I want to follow, and then I will go to setting and then set up the number of threads. This is the number of accounts running at the same time. After this is set up, I'll click begin and we'll let the software do the work. There you can see the account will also log in like this and it will start following. It will scan the username and start follow. Okay, you can check the whole process that's working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me by Telegram or WhatsApp. The details will be pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to my channel.